How to recover TikTok's suspended account. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser and search for TikTok support. Now tap on search. Now open up the website. Tap on report a problem. Now enter your details. Describe you want to unban your account and tap on upload. Now after uploading, tap on submit. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.